We will ship from Tokyo, Japan. It will take 10 to 14 business days as your goods arrive since your payment. New Star Foodservice Inc. is a manufacturer of foodservice equipment and supplies leveraging our expert and adaptable manufacturing abilities. Our professional design and support staff provides essential products to all foodservice businesses. Stackable Design. The outside of these cups is properly tapered to let you stack the cups easily for storage. The lugs at the base allow for easy stacking and keep a small space between each cup to help them try even when nested together. Durable sandplastic. Sandplastic is durable, BPA-free, and break-resistant to let you use it in busy catered events for a long time. Perfect for a commercial establishment, these cups add style and convenience while serving drinks without worrying about breakage and replacement costs. Trendy, comfortable construction. The thoughtful construction of these cups makes them highly durable and stylish. The pebbled texture on the outside creates a trendy appearance and adds resistance to the plastic. Moreover, it hides the scratches on the cups to let you reuse them for a long time. Top reviews from the United States. Great. My want and need for these was simple, for a very important reason. I'm making a life with a view to best possible choices for the environment. Disposable plastic cups are a ridiculous waste of money and are bad for the environment, even if recyclable. These cups are perfect. The purple color is nice, a slightly opaque, light purple. The color is much nicer than the provided picture appears. These are sturdy, easily gripped, and dishwasher safe. The price is great. One-time use cups are easily and economically replaced in 1 or 2 would-be purchases. The removal of plastic from the recycle bins, from the dumps, is just good sense, and these are just as easy to keep around and easily shelved in stacks. 5 stars. Thumbs up. Perfect.